Is your air conditioner not responding to your thermostat? The issue may be with the thermostat itself. Your thermostat is the control center of your HVAC system. When it isn't working properly, your air conditioner may fail to cool your home efficiently, or not operate at all. Common signs of thermostat problems include inaccurate temperature readings, short cycling, constant running, or an AC system that won't turn on. That's why homeowners throughout Paoli, Pennsylvania, trust PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning for professional AC thermostat repair services. Our experienced technicians perform a complete diagnostic inspection to determine whether the thermostat or another system component is causing the issue. We carefully inspect wiring, electrical connections, calibration, and communication between the thermostat and your HVAC system. Whether your thermostat needs repairs, recalibration, or component replacement, we provide reliable solutions to restore proper system operation. Once repairs are complete, we thoroughly test your system to ensure accurate temperature control and dependable cooling performance. A properly functioning thermostat helps improve comfort, increase energy efficiency, and keep your cooling system operating at its best. With precise temperature control restored, you can enjoy a comfortable home all summer long. At PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, we're committed to honest recommendations, expert workmanship, and dependable HVAC solutions. Why does an air conditioner produce water? As your AC cools warm indoor air, moisture condenses on the evaporator coil and drains away through the condensate drain system. What are the signs of a drainage problem in an AC system? Common signs include water leaking around the indoor unit, clogged drain lines, musty odors, high indoor humidity, water stains on ceilings or walls, and the AC shutting off unexpectedly. What causes a clogged AC drain line? Dust, dirt, mold, algae, and debris can accumulate inside the condensate drain line, restricting water flow. Where is PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 30 South Valley Road No. 307 Paoli, Pennsylvania 19301. Our phone number is 610-424-6690. Visit our website www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-paoli/.